What's up, CCI family? What's going on, YouTube? Yeah, we got to talk because I feel a little bit of strain going on out there. So we definitely got to talk, okay? Now, as far as us, the chump change investors who are steadily trying to build our wealth right now, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. Now, on the other hand, and I won't even get into too much of it with them because they should already know. If you are already past your wealth building phase, okay, so you're already sitting on millions of dollars, $500,000, or whatever it could be in your portfolios or whatever, yeah, there's time for restructuring for you because you want to secure a lot of that. Okay, and I don't blame you. All right. But this today is for the wealth builders, mainly for us, me, my chump change investors out there who haven't got their $500,000 and millions of dollars yet, but are on the way up. So grab your pen, grab your pad, because we got some work to do. So let's take a look here. For some of my beginner investors out there who might have just started getting their feet wet within the last year or two, I'm feeling a lot of fear coming off the screen right now. I'm feeling a lot of tension. I'm feeling like, as far as those who haven't even put their feet in the game yet, I'm feeling a lot of, or I'm hearing a lot of, oh, I told you so. I told you don't get in that stock market. I told you that ain't for us. Stop. Listen. We're going to put a few things in perspective here, first of all. Number one, if Walmart had a sale today and said that, oh, I don't know, say eggs were on sale, okay? They got them for $2, $3 a dozen. Everybody and their mama's going to Walmart and load that basket up today, okay? Choose your favorite store, whatever it was, okay? That's just how things go. So take a look first off, and this again is for my beginning investors or those who might have been in the game for a couple of years and getting a little fearful because they see things coming down. Take a look at what the market is giving you right now. Now, as far as some of the stocks that we follow here, anyway, on Chump Change Investments, Palantir, NVIDIA, Grab, Archer, Soundhound, so forth. All of these stocks, and there's many more across the whole market, that are taking a dip right now. So think about this. It's not the companies that are failing. It's the market right now that is coming down. The entire market. Okay? So they are just getting dragged down with it, unfortunately. Or is it fortunate? Because think about this. We've had a lot of good moments within the last 2 years. Steady climbing. So if I'm talking to those who haven't put their feet in yet, or are interested in getting in the game, and you see these prices just skyrocketing, going up, how is it making it more comfortable for you to get in? You can't get in and get as many as you want of anything because these prices are constantly rising. Okay? What you look for as a beginning investor, hell, any investor, are prices to come down at some point. We need them to come down so we can get more. Okay? Take a look at some of these. You have Apple. You know that company. Under $230 a share right now. And who knows, they might dip a little further. I'm hoping. You have NVIDIA. Under $110 a share. That's a no-brainer. If you even confused about that, do some research. Do your reading. Okay? You have Modine, we've been following it. Now they've taken a big hit, but as I've told you before, keep your eye on Modine, however you want to say it. Right now, they've been under for a few weeks now, under $100 a share. Worries me not. I flipped them and used some leverage and used some of that cash. Worry not about Modine. Next up, Palantir. Palantir, another no-brainer. We're under $80 a share right now. Definite DCA all day. Okay. SoFi, under $12 a share. SoundHound, under $10 a share. Archer, under $7 a share. This is what I'm telling you about sales. This is Walmart telling you their eggs is $2, $3 a dozen right now. So it really doesn't take a genius to figure out this is a huge, huge money-making opportunity. Now, those who have already amassed wealth, period, in the game. What I was telling you before is, yeah, they may have some work to do. They might want to take some of their funds out and put them into other things right at the moment. Okay? U.S. Treasury bonds, money market accounts, CDs, anything. Those things are still positive. Okay? But for us who don't have that amassed wealth yet, and we're building wealth, this is a beautiful opportunity. This is nothing to run away from. This is when you go in. Okay, because imagine you ran into Walmart, right? You bought 100 dozen of eggs because they were $2 a dozen. And next week, the price of eggs went back to $8, $10 a dozen. Oh, you're happy now. That's what these stocks will do for you. Because just not too long ago, let's not forget, less than a month ago, Apple was $249 a share and moving up. Nvidia was in the 140s. Palantir, $124 a share. SoFi hitting $17 a share. SoundHound, $16 a share. Now you got that deep discount on all of these. You don't think they're going back up and past that? Yeah, we have to have some patience. We don't know when, but we know that they will soon return. How do we know that? That's what I've been telling you. Get your pens and paper ready. It's a history lesson. Okay? History may not repeat itself, but as Trapper always says, if you don't know Wall Street Trapper, it always rhymes. Let's take a look at some of the history of our stock market. Just a quick glimpse. Not trying to hold you. All right, we're going to stick to the script because I don't want to lose you here. I'm not going to go too deep. You are more than welcome to do your own research at any time. In fact, I push for that, okay? I want a conversation between us, not a one-way street. So to start things off with just the ordinary shares around maybe about almost 100 years after the stock market began, because it was in 1792. We jumping at 1875, right? And grinding all the way out to past 2020. What's the overall story you see there? You see some lows, you see some highs, you see some more lows, you see some more highs, but start at the beginning and go to the end. It went up all the way. Not only that, hold on. Check out Dow. That's the Dow Jones. Starting around 1900, going past 2015 to now, right? Overall story. Highs, lows. But the overall, where it started. Look where it's at. Oh, you think that's enough? S&P 500, Standard & Poor's, top 500 companies, right? Look where it started. Around the time of the Depression, we had a drop because of the Depression. But look where it began. Look where it is in 2023. And look where it is past today. Put that in perspective for you also. In 2017, the S&P 500 was, I got it here for you. Think I'm gonna look. 2017, we were running around $2,300 per share, S&P 500. Okay, 2018, 2872. 2019, where we went, $2,708. Why the drop? COVID started. Okay, but 2020, just a year after, and it wasn't even a full year, but the year after, we had 3,337. These, go back and look. This is all January 31st of each year. Okay, after that, 2021, we were over 4,000, and it kept going to there till just a few weeks ago. We were at all-time highs, over 6,000 per share, S&P 500. So yes, we've dropped back a little bit now. Okay? Why are you upset? You've had all these years of gains. It's time to drop. It's time to re-roll. Get down or lay down. So primarily, I'm just stepping in for a moment to let y'all know, don't be afraid. This is a great opportunity for chump change investors and beginning investors alike. This is how the game is played. This is how the rich get richer. Don't let them continue to get rich off of you. So until next time, this is Chump Change Investment saying peace out. Thank y'all for being with me today. Stay blessed. Stay financially successful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.